One of my friends just came the other day and said, it's very difficult to delete. ये डिलीट करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. I said, yes. तुम तो शायरी बोल रहे हो यार. शायरी बोल रहे हो? Yes, तुम तो शायरी बोल रहे हो. डिलीट करना वाकई में मुश्किल है. जैसे दिल बोला आंख से, दिल बोला आंख से, तुम देखा करो कम, देखते हो तुम और तरसते हैं हम. And that didn't end here. That didn't end here, gentlemen. आंख, आंख बोला दिल से, तुम सोचा करो कम. आंख बोला दिल से, तुम सोचा करो कम, सोचते हो तुम और रोते हैं हम. So this dil, this आंख, they will not allow you to delete things. But human body, we all know is magic. The mind is still bigger magic. But did you know what is still bigger magic that we have? Each one of you have that magic. Each one of you got this magic from the God. We are unaware of this. We don't use it. And ladies and gentlemen, that magic is willpower, the choice. And if we exercise this willpower and choice, we can unleash magic. We can delete things. 2021 has been a very difficult year for many of us. Many of us lost their loved one due to COVID. Many of us lost their jobs. Salaries were lowered. Senior citizens lost their interest rate, got their interest rate reduced. The house owners, depending on the rental, got the rental not available. A lot of classes went bust. We had indeed very difficult time, and deleting them is going to be difficult. So we have to use this magic that God has given us, the willpower, the choice. We need to replace these bad memories, these bad events with thoughts, positivities. Then only we will be able to delete things. Is it also not true? कभी कभी सारे जहां में जब अंधेरे होते हैं, परंतु अंधेरे के बाद ही तो सुबह होते हैं, लेकिन अंधेरे के बाद ही तो सुबह होते हैं. So we saw the darkness. It was indeed a big darkness. But then darkness will only lead into light, into new Savera. So ladies and gentlemen, my friends, let's step into 2022 with this hope. Let us step into 2022 by acknowledging the magical power that God has given us. Exercise willpower, choice to delete all the bad memories and step into the new year with hope, positivity, and a lot of success. On that note, my friends, wish you a happy new year 2022. May God bless you. See you then.